Hello everyone, this is Ramna. You're watching me on techmyhire YouTube channel. So in this video, Trimula is here. She was going to share the interview experience at Palo Alto Network. And so those who are new to this channel, please subscribe to our channel now. You will get a lot of videos regarding placement assistance from our YouTube channel. So hi Trimula. So can you please introduce yourself to the viewers?
Yeah, sure. So hello guys, I'm Tirumala and I will be graduating this year from ReLevel Engineering College, which is in Krishna district, Andhra Pradesh. And I'm from computer science branch and I got recently selected in Palo Alto Networks as a quality assurance engineer. It was through a hackathon. So
Okay.
that's it.
So this is like on campus. So it is so anyone can participate in this placement drive, or like only the specific candidates has to participate in this drive.
Yeah, okay. It is off-campus one actually, and also it is limited to girls only. It is a hackathon for girls only. The hackathon is itself like a Geek Goddess Hackathon Volume 2, which was conducted by Palo Alto Networks itself. So it is for girls only. It contains 4 rounds.
Okay.
It is a coding challenge, actually coding challenge and some MCQ questions. There are some MCQ questions. Like 4 rounds are there. Like the first phase is itself registering the candidates and filling some necessary details, and the second round is the coding challenge, which contains the 3 coding questions, each of varying difficulty.
Okay.
Like we expected, 3 questions are one is the simple one, second is the medium one, and third is a little bit difficult one.
Okay.
We can find these questions like on lead code questions.
Okay.
Of varying difficulty, and the second round is the MCQ round. Those questions also from simple to medium difficulty, containing aptitude questions and computer science fundamentals.
Hello everyone, today I have an exciting news for you. ReLevel has made all their tests completely free. Yes, in order to get it accessible for all the candidates to 1000 plus job opportunities, ReLevel has made this. Yes, so now your job search will end with ReLevel here. Now you can register for ReLevel test in simply 4 steps. Sign up on ReLevel.com, select the test of your choice, book the slot which you are comfortable with. As the slots are booking up rapidly, I suggest you to go soon as possible. And then confirm your booking. That's how you will register for ReLevel test. All the rounds of the test will be completed in a single day and you will get your result within a week. So the qualifying marks for the ReLevel test is 500 for 1000. Yes. So when you are qualified for the test, you will be able to create a candidate profile for yourself. And these will be shared across the companies. And that's it. You can sit back and relax and wait for the companies comes to you. Yes. So what are you waiting for? Go as soon as possible and register for ReLevel just now. I've provided the link in description so you can check out that and you can register yourself. So for those people who doesn't know about ReLevel, let me tell you one thing. So ReLevel provides you 1000 plus job opportunities across 200 plus companies for different domains like business tests, technical tests, and there are some tests like Android app development where you can get LPA up to 25 and full stack development tests up to 50 LPA. Yes, and there are many other tests like this. So all you need to do is just register for the test, which is free of cost, and then you need to qualify the test for with at least 500 marks. Apart from job opportunity, ReLevel also provides the candidates with different amazing rewards like iPhone, iPad, MacBook, and many other things. And the best thing is you can take the test n number of times if you doesn't meet the criteria. So all you need to do is just register for the test, which is free of cost, and then you need to qualify the test for with at least 500 marks, and then you will create your amazing profile and with which you will apply for the companies. There are many people out there who got succeeded with ReLevel test and got their dream job. So what you are waiting for? Just check out the description, go to the link and book your test whatever you wish to and give the test. Yes.
There is also a final round in which we select our job roles, like interested roles. Based on the performance in the written test, we got the roles, but we have a chance to choose those roles also. They given 3 roles. One is the associate engineer QA role, like quality assurance role, and associate engineer developer role, and associate engineer DevOps role. According to your interest, you can choose any one of those, and based on the performance, they will decide, I think.
Okay. So based on the role we choose, they will change the interview process, like.
Yes, yeah. Because they will first tell you that they will make you clear that to which role the interview is going on, so you can prepare according to that.
So what about the interview experience? How many rounds are there? And so you were in interview experience at Palo Alto Networks.
Yes, like there are 3 rounds. Out of 3 rounds, 2 are the technical rounds and 1 is the managerial and HR round. In the technical round, they out of the 60 minutes, they invested nearly 15 to 20 minutes only for introduction of ourselves. Like in that time, we can give them a brief, like a full view of like clear picture of what we are and what we have done from the last 1 year, according like towards the placements or something like that. After the 15 minutes, they started shooting questions, starting from the simple questions, DSA questions, and then DBMS questions and networking related questions. Because as it is a networking company, after all, we can expect networking questions and Linux based questions also.
Yes.
They started with DSA first of all. First one is a simple question they asked, and then they increased the level and asked a medium question, DSA question, and then moved on to DBMS queries, SQL queries. Like normal, we can find those questions on LeetCode or Geeks for Geeks also, like company tags we can find there.
Okay.
Those questions and Linux command, they ask Linux commands also. If we are used to Linux operating system, we can answer those those commands.
Okay.
They will first ask you if you are familiar with that operating system or not. Based on that, they will ask you. And the next one is the networking related concepts.
Okay.
After that, the first round over. After that.
Okay.
And second round is also quite similar to the first round, but they added some puzzles also, like puzzle questions we can find on Geeks for Geeks mostly.
Okay.
And like the same pattern, but some project questions they ask. I forget about the project. You have to have a great understanding of what you have done in the project.
Exactly.
So in on the project question, they invested nearly 20 minutes, I think, on the project itself.
Okay.
That was it.
So most of the interviews, what will happen is based on the resume only, they will ask some questions, right? So that is what I expect. So most of the interviews. So what happened with you? So will they ask the concepts and questions that are related to from your resume, or like out of the resume?
No, they asked related to my resume only. I mentioned one is the Linux operating system and cloud computing. So they asked about those only. Like Linux, they have asked, and also the cloud computing. What do you know about cloud computing, or have you worked on this? Like we have AWS, GCP, and these cloud providers. So have you worked on those, and like how much I have worked on those? So they asked about them also.
Okay, Nirmala, like so during your BTech life, so how you prepare for these placements, not only for this company, like for some of the placements, so the main things like aptitude, reasoning, verbal, coding, so some technical knowledge on your core subjects like data structures, DBMS. So you may get some MCQs on these concepts also. Like, so you prepared by the help of your placement cell and only, or like you got some resources. You will find a lot of resources on in the internet, right? So did you found any resources to prepare for your placements? So what is your thoughts on that?
Yeah, okay. Everyone starts their preparation from second year or third year itself, because in fourth year they know that these days starting from the fourth year so many placements will come, so we don't get the sufficient time. So I started my preparation from third year itself. In third year we have lockdown, so I have so much time to prepare. I prepared aptitude slightly, because I have a confusion that some written test focuses on aptitude and some written test focuses on DSA questions. So basically, I have that confusion to focus more on which subjects I have to focus more. So I focus on aptitude questions. I just see them randomly, truly, honestly. And DSC, I prepared from Geeks for Geeks and Hacker Rank, mostly from Hacker Rank, because I built my logic building from the Hacker Rank itself, from the first. And over the period when you sit for the interviews, only I observed that long-term learnings will definitely help. So from the third year, whatever concepts I have learned, those are so much useful in my interviews. And before 1 week or when you are sitting for the written test itself, start preparing for that company, because you may find so many interview questions or model questions on websites. Related questions on websites. So before sitting for the written test, start preparing for those. I did that, and
Yeah. So it is
and
not like same questions will repeat, but you will get an idea like what kind of questions they are they
yes,
ask for this company. So in what concept they're expecting the candidate must and should be have a knowledge. So based on concepts you can learn. So this is not like the same question will be asked, so we can prepare for the questions. So many students, some students will prepare like that, but that will not work at sometimes because the interview persons will be changed for every candidate.
yeah,
And based on interview person's knowledge on which concept you have, and so based on so everything depends on the interview person who was there. So we have
yeah,
to
that's true. And
yeah.
the like the coding questions like which will come in the interview, like a written test also. You can like long term lengths which you started from the third year itself. Those logic building will help in the written test and coding questions itself. But with those preparation which you started from last 10 days, they will like slightly help. They will, yeah, I agree to that. They will slightly help.
Yeah, okay, Tirumala. So I think we're done with we done these videos, and so I'm thankful to you. Like you come forward and to share your experience. So not only for this specific company that you're working on, but you also share the thoughts like how you prepared, and this will be helpful for a lot of candidates who are applying for software companies, not only for network side or anything like how you have to prepare for this kind of placements. And so you shared a lot of valuable information. So thanks, Tirumala. Like all the best for your future career at network company that you're working on. So thank you.
Yeah, thanks to you as well. And yeah, for those who are watching this video, all the best for all the guys. And yeah, prepare well for the interviews because it is already March.
Yes.
So yeah, thank you for inviting me.
Yeah, thank you.